What's up, guys? Dave here with Deranged Off-Road, coming to you from Warner Valley, Utah. Checking out a new product today. Today we are running the TIS UTV1 off-road UTV tire by Hercules tires. Full disclosure, they sent these to me to check out, to see what I think, and to report back to you guys. This is not going to be a long-term review because I have not had these long-term. This is going to be more of a first impressions, what I generally think about the tire, and to just give you more information about this new to the market tire by Hercules. These are brand new. I know they just came in. I've only been put about 50 miles on these things. So yeah, let's get to it. So who is this tire for? Really, this is, so far, I believe, a great tire for the general UTV enthusiast. I've been cruising around in Sand Hollow, in the sand. This tire actually does really well in the sand. The lugs on it have got a decent amount of spacing to where if you air down, I'm aired down to about 8 pounds in this. I have no problems just zipping around anywhere I want to go out at Sand Hollow. Today I've been cruising around in Warner Valley, out here in this kind of a, I don't even know what you call this. I guess it's a sandstone. It's different from what's over in Sand Hollow, but it's a slick rock sandstone. I've been out here on the gravel roads as well, and these UT1 tires by Hercules have done a great job out here. I was ripping around on the dirt road about 50 miles an hour. Felt great, good stability, no issues, no problem. They seem to grip decently well out here in the rock type of stuff. They're not a sticky compound competition tire like others that are out there, but these, so far, I think they really hit the mark for the general UTV population. Out here in the West, there's a lot of people that in the desert, that's all they do. Desert riding, hard pack, trails, gravel. And I think these tires are really suited to them and me, because that's a lot of what I do besides, you know, playing out in Sand Hollow. These Hercules tires, I really like the way they look. They have a really pretty aggressive tread pattern looking to them. They got big chunky lugs on the sidewalls, help you grip the sides of rocks and that kind of stuff. The lugs, like I said before, they're spaced out pretty good. Gives pretty good grip on whatever terrain you're going to be riding in. So really, I think these Hercules tires are going to be really well suited for people who do a variety of traveling, riding out in the sand, gravel, rocks, that kind of thing. Another cool thing about these tires is they have what they call a dual buttress design. You can kind of customize the look of these tires. If you look, there's actually 2 different sidewall tread patterns, depending on which way you want to flip your tire. They're not a directional tire, so you can flip them either way, and you can look at whichever tread you want to see. The TIS UT1 by Hercules has what they call a max all-terrain tread pattern that's specifically designed for UTVs and side-by-sides for work or recreation. So Hercules says that this tire provides an optimized footprint and tread design which creates lateral stability. Helps with maintaining handling and gives you pretty good confidence in control during acceleration and braking. And I felt that when I've been out skidding around, trying that kind of stuff out in the sand and in the gravel and just playing around and having a good time. Cruising down the dirt roads, I really felt like these were quite stable. It's to be noted that these are not DOT rated, they're not highway rated, but cruising down the highway, which in Utah, I don't have to have DOT rated for street limit. They felt great. They drive real nice, no issues, they track good, and they're not even loud. So far, with about 50 miles on these things, I'm pretty impressed with these Hercules tires. In all honesty, guys, I'm actually pretty impressed with these UT1 tires from Hercules. I always have my doubts when somebody contacts us and says, hey, can you check out our product? Here's a list of points we want you to talk about and give a review. And to be perfectly honest, I actually turned them down at first. I said, that's not really something our customers really want. They don't want to get a canned review. We like to be open and upfront with you guys. So I turned down the marketing team from Hercules. I said, no, thanks, but no thanks. We're not going to do it. And I told them why. I said, I want to be able to give honest reviews for the guys that follow us. And we weren't really sure that that was going to be able to happen. They came back and said, no, honestly, we want you to give your honest personal opinions on them, but we do want you to tell your viewers a few certain points, what Hercules considers to be highlights of their tires. And I've done that, talking about the different tread, sidewalls, and, the pattern, stuff like that on the tires. But really, they had no, you need to tell them that they're great for this or great for that. Honestly, I found these tires to be great in the sand. They do pretty good in the rocks, and I didn't have any issues with the tires. They ride nice down the road. I will say that I think these tires are definitely more suited for the desert guys and, people that aren't going to be in the mud and muck. Hercules themselves they don't say specifically that these are great for the wet type of stuff. They kind of hit more on the point that these are good for out in the dry, hard pack, desert type stuff. And I think that's really what they're more suited for personally. Unfortunately, I don't live in the snow, so I can't try them out there or anything like that. I live in the desert. There's not even any water around here. But honestly, guys, give these tires a look. I think they look awesome. They got an aggressive appearance to them. I kind of like that, the idea of being able to change the sidewall tread around if, you like one over the other. And maybe you think one tread on the sidewall is going to perform better for you where you're at. So these are available at places that sell Hercules tires. You're not going to be able to go to Rocky Mountain ATVMC and buy these from them. You can go to Hercules Tires, their website, and you can find a dealer near you, and they can get you set up with a set of these tires. So, honest opinion, I can't give you a long-term review on these. I can't tell you what they're going to be like, how well they're going to wear 1,000 miles from now. But I will tell you, I'm going to leave them on my machine for now, and I'm going to keep running them and see how they perform. I didn't get out and do any rock crawling in Sand Hollow in them, but I think they'll probably do okay, just as good as any other basic tire out there. They're not going to be a sticky compound competition rock crawling tire, but an all-around, all-purpose tire you can throw on your General or your Commander or your Ranger, your Defender, your Razor. Honestly, I think they're going to be a good option for a lot of people out there. I'm excited to see where this tire goes. I want to see people running them so we can get actual long-term reviews and feedback on them. I'm going to keep them on mine for now and just keep running them. So, all right, guys, really appreciate you watching. Give your opinions down there in the comments section. What do you guys think about the tires? Think they look like they're a winner? Think they look like garbage? Let us know. Let's get some feedback on these things, all right? Again, thanks for your support, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.